Hola amigos! In the previous video, I shared my tips for cleaning nopales quickly and safely. In that video, I also showed you how I like to boil the nopales before cooking them to help reduce the viscous liquid that they have. In today's video, I'm sharing a quick and easy recipe for cooking the nopales. It's a nice and basic recipe that's perfect for nopal beginners, and actually everyone will enjoy these nopales. It's so simple, but it's packed of delicious taste and also happens to be my current favorite way of eating nopales. Okay, let's get cooking! The nopales are tender and a little citrusy, but the sweetness of the onion and cooked tomatoes complement it so well. Then there's that last touch of heat from the chiles. So delicious. It's just something you really must taste for yourself. Now that you've cooked these delicious nopales, you can serve them as a side dish or use them as a taco filling or for gorditas, sopes, burritos, quesadillas, or even just on their own. Just grab a fork and dig right in. They are so delicious. I think you are absolutely going to love them as much as I do. If I happen to have any leftovers, the next day for breakfast I throw in some eggs and scramble it up, and I have some breakfast nopal and egg tacos. Thank you for watching. Happy cooking and adios amigos.